Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to export source code files from Base44. First, open your web browser and go to the Base44 website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main dashboard. From here, click on the section called Apps. Next, look through the list and select the app you want to export the source code files from. Click on the app to open it fully inside the editor. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see an icon with 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open the Options menu. In this menu, select the option that says Export as Zip. If you have not upgraded your Base44 plan before, a message will appear asking you to upgrade. Exporting source code files requires a paid plan. When the export starts, Base44 will prepare your project files and download them as a zip file to your computer. Another way to export your project is by using GitHub. In the top right corner, click on the GitHub icon. Connect your GitHub account and choose a repository. This option also requires a paid plan. That is how you export source code files from Base44. Thanks for watching.